I am in my backyard. Behind me, I've got the DJI Mini 5 Pro. I got it sitting on my truck. Here's what I want to do. I want to send it up into the air, have it fly out about 1,000 feet, have it return to home, and I just want to see how accurate it is with the return to home feature. I've heard the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a lot more accurate than past models. I know the last model that I owned, I didn't own the DJI Mini 4, but I did own the Mini 3. That was a good drone, but it didn't have the sensors, so it was always a little nerve-wracking when I was flying in places. This one does have the full sensors, the omnidirectional sensors, so I'm feeling a little bit better about this one. But I'm going to put it up in the air. I'm going to send it out about 1,000 feet. We'll see some views of the nearby farms in the area, and then I'll send it home. Maybe I'll see some sort of obstacles that I can try to avoid, but it's pretty much going to be over open farmland. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so the drone's heading up into the air now. It looks like a nice day when you're looking at it through the camera. However, we did have a lot of rain this morning, and it is a little bit windy out. So I think that the app I have said it's really not a good day to fly, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, how high am I? I am really high. I'm 200 feet up in the air, so I really have nothing to worry about in terms of hitting anything. There is nothing in this area that is 200 feet high. We've got a hill about a mile away that's over 300 feet high, but I'm not going anywhere near that. In fact, I'm going in the opposite direction. So I'm going to head out, as you can see from the screen recording. I'm heading over a farm with some lakes. It's a really pretty area. Nice place to have a home and a family. A little boring, but I'm okay with that. I like boring. So here we are. I'm heading out. I am currently, I'm way out there. I am about, I'll go out to 2,000 feet. And I'm having no problem with signal. Okay, now I'm going to hit the return to home feature. Let's see how this goes. I'm not anticipating any problems. The wind might cause an issue when it's coming down near the truck. Hopefully it will land nice right in the middle of the truck bed. I got the tonneau cover on there, so I'm not anticipating a problem, but got to be ready anyways. This is my drone. I bought it with my own money. It's not insured because DJI is not selling to the United States, and they don't offer DJI Refresh, which is a little unnerving. So I am a little bit paranoid with this one. I really do like this drone right now. I've been very impressed with all of its features. If you look at the screen, you can see right now, you can see the sort of the green trail mark where its path is, and you can see now that it's coming over my property. Let's see what it's looking at as it comes down. Okay, I do see that it's the home point. It looks to be right, almost smack in the middle of the truck bed. Let me put that camera down. And let's see where it's going. Okay. So it looks like it's going to be kind of close to the edge of the truck. So I'm going to be a little wary about this. Let me get out of the way so you can see. Here it comes. Okay, it's getting close. It looks like it's going to be fine. It's going to land right smack on the tonneau cover. And there you go. All right, almost, I think that's pretty much where I had it when it took off. So pretty good. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this Mini 5 Pro. It finally had all the features that I wanted. It had the better camera. It's got the omnidirectional sensors on it. It's got a lot of cool features to it. I don't use the camera rotate too much, but I'm probably going to experiment with that and see what I can do with it. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying this. The signal on this thing is incredible. I've had no problems with that. That is a problem I had with my Mini 3 Pro with the older remote control. That one seemed to cut out pretty easily. But this one here seems to have no problem whatsoever. So yeah, there you go. DJI Mini 5 Pro. I am in the United States, so you can get it here. You just can't get it directly through DJI. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.